Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you all comfort features. Comfort features, let's start with the driver's doors. Right here we've got the quick switch for locking and unlocking doors, electric adjustable side mirrors with side mirrors folding, and child lock for windows. Also, side rearview mirrors can be folded automatically and can be dipped in the reverse gear. Take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the quick access to fuel filler and trunk. Also here we've got the parking brake, thanks to which we can lock and unlock the brake. On the steering wheel we can find cruise control, speed limiter. In the center of the car we've got access to power outlet, USB port and aux jack. Power outlet is also located on the back of the center console for rear seats. Now take a look in the center of the car. Car is equipped with dual zone climate control with AC, parking sensors and eco mode. Next, if you go to menu, you've got access to lock settings, side mirror settings, light settings and car memory settings. Also, in system options, you can enable screensaver, adjust language, show help text. Car is equipped with phone connection, thanks to which you can connect smartphone to the car and listen to music or make phone calls. Last but not least, car is equipped with navigation and voice guidance. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.